Hello and welcome back to Simply Divine Creations. I'm Ebony and today I'll be setting up my bullet journal spreads for May 2020. This month I decided to go with a bee theme. I thought it was just really cute but still easy to draw. I had lots of fun doodling in all these little bees. I just thought they were so adorable. Also, fun fact, my little sister used to call me Bee when she was really young. She was having trouble saying Ebony, so she used to refer to me as Bee, which was absolutely adorable. For my monthly spread, I kept it simple with the classic layout and just added in some bee themed decorations around the edges. I also used my days of the week stickers for the headers. I just liked the way they looked. My self-care spread is the same as it's been every month. I just added in a little bee flying around the title to tie in with the theme. For my habit spread, I thought it would be cute to create this little honeycomb pattern where each day of the month is its own little honeycomb section, I guess you would call it. And I think it looks absolutely adorable. I love the way it turned out. I did decide to use the fine tip end of my Tombow Dual Brush pen to write in the numbers for the days of the month. I like the look, but I'm thinking the yellow might be a little bit hard to read, but we'll see as the month goes on. I also kept my budget spread the same as usual. Again, this really is mainly just a functional spread for me, so I keep the layout the same every month and just add in some sort of decoration to tie in with the month's theme. For my weekly spreads, I really have been loving doing the rolling daily spreads. I kept that theme going throughout the whole of April, and so I think I'm going to continue to do that for May as well. But seeing as the first week of May is only 3 days, I did do a decorative weekly spread. And here is a flip through of the final spreads. I am so happy with how this theme turned out, and even though it had a fair amount of drawing and doodling, it was actually really simple to do. The bees that I drew were pretty much just ovals with some little loops on top for wings and then the stripes. Really easy, but yet still adorable, and I'm loving the results. Thank you for watching my May 2020 bullet journal setup. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe it gave you some inspiration for your own bullet journal. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Thank you.